Hi Danae, I'm Eric, and in this video I'm going to talk about my research, which is about the letters of the conquest of Chile, but this is a specific part, a paleographic study, because my thesis is related to many literary aspects, for example narrative, rhetorical, semiotic, and well, let's go. The objectives or purposes are: the first one, analyze the compositional elements of the letters of the conquest of Chile, and the second one, identify particular elements in Pedro de Valdivia's writing. He is Pedro de Valdivia, who conquered Chile. In his time, Valdivia was a famous captain, famous like other conquerors, for example, Francisco Pizarro, Diego Almagro, Hernán Cortés. Also, Valdivia participated in the Spanish Civil War in Peru, and he was the first governor of the La Nueva Extremadura. Valdivia arrived to Chile in 1540 and wrote 12 letters, or only 12 letters have been found, because according to the historical and literary studies, this letter should be about 30. Here you can see some original letters which are in the Seville archive and in private collections around the world. In general, all letters have the same structure. First, initial protocol, and the second, message, and third, final protocol, and finally, signature. Also, there is a page called subscription. In this letter appears first receiver, second sender, and third date and place. Well, this is a fragment from the letter 1, which is about the death of Francisco Pizarro. I really like, because it says something very poetic about the death of Francisco Pizarro. De la muerte del marqués, mi señor, no hay que decir sino que la sentí muy dentro del ánima, y cada vez que me acuerdo lloro con el corazón lágrimas de sangre, y tengo una pena que mientras viviere durará. I really like the use of rhetorical figure, you know, it's lágrimas de sangre. I think it's a beautiful rhetorical figure to refer to the death of his friend. Now, maybe the most important letter is the number 2, because it narrates the first years of the conquest in Chile. A fragment of this letter is very famous, and I would like to share it with you. Los trabajos de la guerra, invictísimo César, pueden los pasar los hombres porque loores al soldado morir peleando, pero los del hambre, concurriendo con ellos para los sufrir, más que hombres han de ser. Pues tales se han mostrado los vasallos de vuestra majestad en ambos, debajo de mi protección, y yo de la de Dios y de vuestra majestad, por sustentarle esta tierra. It's interesting the image of the soldiers that Valdivia shows in this fragment, especially when he says, para los sufrir más que hombres han de ser. And well, regarding to the calligraphy, it's different in every letter, because according the receivers, Valdivia use a specific calligraphy. In general, when a letter is sent to the king, Valdivia it's very careful when writing. Also, abbreviations were used frequently. We can see two examples. The first one says, al sacratísimo e invictísimo César, emperador de los romanos, rey de Alemania, de España, de las dos Sicilias, de Jerusalén, nuestro soberano, señor y monarca. And the second one says, Sacra, Cesárea, Católica, Majestad, el Emperador y Rey nuestro Señor. Also, the numbers are an interesting thing. The Arabic numbers couldn't be used in letters sent to the king. It was forbidden, so there is an alphabet of numbers. The first image shows 15. The second is 9. And the last example is 26. Regarding my theoretical and methodological framework for this section, is a specific book, Manual de Paleografía Diplomática Española de los siglos XII al XVII, and much intuition. I'm not Indiana Jones. I'm just a person who loves the old document. Finally, I want to share with you an interesting find. If you ask on Google or in books, it will appear that the Santiago Foundation was on February 12th. But in letters, another date appears, February 24. So, what happened here? In 1541, there was a fire in Santiago, and the first documents were burned. When the founding document was written again, the first Chilean didn't remember the exact date. But now, thanks to this letter, we know that the Santiago Foundation was on February 24. And well, bye Danae, thank you for watching. Bye.